Hi guys, welcome to my channel CBSE Studying. Today we are going to do exercise number 8.1 from NCERT textbook of class 10 mathematics for the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. In my previous videos, I had introduced you to the concept of trigonometry, what are three ratios, what does the word trigonometry mean, and we solved example number 1 to 5. Now we are going to start solving exercise number 8.1. So what is the first question of exercise number 8.1? In triangle ABC, right angled at P, AB is equal to 24 and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sine A, cos A, sine C and cos C. So first of all, let's draw the triangle. So here we have a right triangle ABC right angled at B. Now, what are the measurements given to us? AB is 24 and BC is 7. What do we have to find? So let's just quickly go through our formula. What was our formula? OAO by HHA. So O by H is for sine, A by H is for cos, and O by A is for tan. What do we need to find? We need to find sine A. So now for angle A, which is the opposite side, sine A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side for angle A? It's BC. And the hypotenuse is obviously AC, correct? So I'm just going to list out what everything is first of all, and then we will find out the missing quantities. Cos A will be adjacent side by hypotenuse. Which side is adjacent to angle A? AB. And hypotenuse is AC. What is sine C? Which side is opposite to sine angle C? AB. And hypotenuse again is AC. What is cos C? Adjacent to angle C is BC and AC. Now you see everywhere we don't have the measure. We have the measurement for AB and BC, but we don't have the measurement for AC. So we know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? That is 24 square plus 7 square. What is 24 square? 24 square is equal to 576 plus 49, and that equals 625. So if AC square is equal to 625, AC is equal to be is going to be equal to square root of 625, that is 25. So from this we see that the measurement of AC is 25. Now simply substitute the measurement. So what is BC? 7 by 25. So the value of sine A is 7 by 25. Cos A is AB by AC. AB is 24. AC is 25. Sine C, AB is 24. AC is 25. Cos C, 7 by 25. Right? Same formula we have used everywhere, that is OAO by HHA. So here we have used O by H, and here we have used A by H for cos. Okay, simple as that. Let's move to the next question. Next question, in the figure given to you, you have to find the value of tan P minus cot R. Even before you go to the question, always check if you have all the measurements of the given right triangle. If not, find the missing side. So again, over here we are going to put Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR squared. So 13 square is equal to 12 square plus QR square. 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144 plus QR square. So QR square is equal to 169 minus 144. QR square is going to be equal to 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 2. Therefore, QR is going to be equal to 5 centimeter. So the value of QR is 5. Now, what is the value of tan P? What was the formula? OAO by HHA. This was for sine, this was for cot, and this was for tan. So opposite by adjacent. Look at your angle P. Which side is opposite to angle P? QR. Which side is adjacent to angle P? PQ. What is the measurement of QR? 5. What is the measurement of PQ? 12. Right? So that is tan P. Now we have to find cot R. Now for sine, cos, and tan, we use OA by HHA. But for the remaining three, what do? You do inverse of it, right? You do HHA by OAO. Where this becomes cosec, this becomes sec, and this becomes cot. So cot is adjacent by opposite. For angle R, which side is adjacent to it? QR. And which side is opposite to R? PQ. Correct? So that becomes also equal to QR by PQ, which is also 5 by 12. So tan P minus cot R, if we have to find, tan P is 5 by 12 and cot R is also equal to 5 by 12. When you subtract two similar quantities, the value becomes equals to 0. Let's move to the next question. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate the value of cos A and tan A. So let's draw the triangle first. So they are saying sine A is equal to 3 by 4. So sine is always opposite by hypotenuse. So what is opposite to angle ABC? That means measurement of BC is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. That means we need to find the measurement of AB. So AB is equal to square root of AC square minus BC square. So square root of 4 square minus 3 square, 16 minus 9. And that is equal to root 7. So the measurement of AB is square root of 7. Now, what do we have to find? We have to find cos A. Cos A is always what? OAO by HHA. Correct? So, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Which angle is, which side is the opposite adjacent to AB? A. It's AB. And hypotenuse is obviously AC. So what is the measurement of AB? Root 7. What is the measurement of AC? 4. Tan A. Tan A is what? Opposite by adjacent. Which side is opposite to angle A? BC. Which side is adjacent to angle A? AB. So what is the measurement of BC? 3. And what is the measurement of AB? It is root 7. So answers are root 7 by 4 and 3 by root 7. Simple. Next question. 15 cot A is equal to 8. So first of all, even before we move forward, let's just simplify this. 15 cot A is equal to 8, which implies that cot A will be equal to 8 by 15, right? Now let's draw the triangle. Okay, so one more time, what was the trick that we had learned? OAO by HHA, correct? This was for sine, cos and tan. And for the other three ratios, we learned to do the reverse of this, HHA by OAO. So this becomes cosec, sec and cot. That means what is the formula for cot? Adjacent by opposite. Now for what are we considering here? Cot A. So for angle A, which side is adjacent? AB. And which side is opposite? BC. So this becomes equal to AB by BC, right? So that means we can say that measurement of AB is 8 and measurement of BC is 15. Now we need to find AC. So AC will be equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, correct? Square root of 8 square plus 15 square, 64 plus 225, and that becomes equal to square root of 289. So AC will be equal to 17. So measurement of AC is 70. Now what do you have to find? Simple. You have to find sine A. Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse. So that is BC by AC, which becomes equal to 15 by 17. And sec A. Sec A, what is the formula? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So for angle A, hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. That becomes equal to, what is AC? 17, and what is AB? 8. So 15 by 17 and 17 by 8 are the answers. Next question. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Simple. So sec theta formula again. Let's take HHA by OAO. For sec, we have hypotenuse by adjacent. That means this will be the measurement of hypotenuse and this will be the measurement of adjacent side. So let's quickly draw the triangle. We have a right triangle A, B, and C. So sec theta. So let's say we have a theta over here, correct? So opposite to theta, so hypotenuse measurement is 13 and adjacent measurement is 12. So this is going to be 12. That means we need to find BC. BC will be equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. 13 square minus 12 square. 169 minus 144. 25. So BC is going to be equal to 5. That means the measurement of BC is 5. Now you can easily find all the trigonometric ratios, right? Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So that's going to be 5 by 13. Now I'm going to do more directly because now we are in the practice, right? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is AB, 12, and hypotenuse is 13. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent, correct? So opposite by adjacent is 5 by 12. Now to do the other three ratios, you don't even need to remember this formula. Simply reverse these. Simply reverse these. So cosec theta is also 1 by sin theta. That means cosec theta becomes 13 by 5. Sec theta is also 1 by cos theta. So it becomes equal to 13 by 12. And cot theta is also the reverse of tan theta. So this becomes equal to 12 by 5. Very simple. Don't need to do any complication. Answers will be available within minutes. Alright, hope you have understood. Let's move to the next question. A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, so that show that angle A is equal to angle B. Let's draw the triangle. We have A and B, which are acute angles, and C. So now cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equal to AC by AB. And cos B is equal to again adjacent by hypotenuse, that is equal to BC by AB. Now what is given to us? Cos A is equal to cos B. That means AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. Right? So AB and AB both the sides get cancelled. That means AC is equal to BC. If AC is equal to BC, which angle is opposite AC? Angle B. If BC, which angle is opposite to BC? Angle A, which means angle B is equal to angle A. And why is that? We know that angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Yeah? Let's move to the next question. If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So first of all, what is the formula for cot theta? HHA by OAO, adjacent by opposite. So that means this is for adjacent side, this is for opposite side. So let's first of all draw a triangle. Let's make this theta, which is the opposite side. Opposite is 8, adjacent is 7. So first of all, we need to find this side, correct? So let's name it A, B, and C. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. I'm going to do it directly. And that becomes equal to what? AC becomes equals to square root of 113. So this is square root of 113. So now what values do we need? We need sin theta, cos theta, and cot square theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 8 by square root of 113. Cos theta is equal to 7 by 113. So for the first question, we will directly substitute 1 plus 8 by 113 into 1 minus 8 by square root of 113 by 1 plus 7 by square root of 113, 1 minus 7 by square root of 113. Now we know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So I can say that this becomes 1 square minus 64 by 113, squaring it, and 1 minus 49 by 113. What do we have to do? We have to simplify this now. So 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49. Now where did the other 113 go? When you take the denominator common, it's going to get cancelled out. So 113 minus 64 becomes equal to 49, and 113 minus 49 is going to be equal to 64. So that's the answer for your first question. Second question is cot square theta. So cot theta is already given to you, just square it. So what is the value of cot theta given to you? Cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So cot square theta is going to be equal to 49 by 64. Simple. Let's move to the next question. Okay, next question. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now you see how they're trying to build up the questions and they're complicating it little by little. Initially, they introduce you the concept of something like this in the previous questions, and they introduced you the concept of equations separately. Now they have combined both of them. So now it gets easier for you to apply them. So always try to study all the questions from your exercises so that you can understand what is the basic steps that you need to do to solve complicated questions. Okay, so even if you don't reach to the answer and you solve a few steps, for example, if you know 3 cot A is equal to 4, that means you have to do cot A is equal to 4 by 3. This is also going to give you marks in your exams, right? If you know that after this step I know the formula, what is the trick for me to for the next step? HHA by OAO. And for cot, it is adjacent by opposite. That means this is adjacent and this is opposite. So immediately I'm going to draw a triangle A, B, and C. Cot A means adjacent by opposite. Which side is adjacent to me? AB. So AB measurement is 4. Which side is opposite to angle A? BC. So BC measurement is 3. So you always know in a triangle with 3 and 4, the other side is going to be 5. So AC is also going to be equal to 5. Right? Now, what is the next step? We have to identify what quantities we want. We have cot, and cot is 4 by 3. We know that tan is directly inverse of cot, so we don't really need to find it out. We can straight away write that tan A is equal to 3 by 4, right? And sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A is equal to 3 by 5, and cos A will be equal to 4 by 5. So we have all our measurements. Now only thing we have to do is left hand side and right hand side. Let me clear the board a little bit so that we can solve the left hand side and right hand side simultaneously. Alright, so now what is my LHS? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So 1 minus tan square A. So tan A is 3 by 4. So tan square A will be 3 square 9 by 4 square 16. And 1 plus 9 by 16. So solving this further, what do we have? 16 minus 9 by 16 plus 9. Again, how did I get this? So let me just solve it on the side and show you how I cancel it out, because some students might get confused as to what exactly is happening here. So you see this 16 and 16 gets cancelled out, right? Now solving this further, What do you get? 16 minus 9 is, how much is 16 minus 9? 7 by, just keeps moving, 7 by 25. So that's the value for your LHS, right? Now RHS, cos square A minus sine square A. So cos A is 4 by 5. So cos square A will be 16 by 25, right? Sine A is, sine A is 3 by 5. So sine square A will be 9 by 25. So again, your denominator is common. So this becomes 16 minus 9 by 25. What is 16 minus 9? 7 divided by 25. So your LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, we can say that this is proved. Question number 9. In a triangle ABC, let's draw the triangle ABC. Sorry for my bad drawing. A, right angled at B, C. Tan A is equal to 1 by 3. What's the formula? OA by HHA. Tan is O by A. So this is for opposite side. This is for adjacent side. For angle A, which side is opposite? BC. So BC is equal to 1. Which side is adjacent? AB. So AB is going to be root 3. Now we need to find the measurement of AC. AC is equal to square root of AB square plus AC square. So AB square is root 3 square plus AC square is 1 square. So root 3 square is 3 plus 1, 4. Square root of 4, which is equal to 2. So AC is equal to 2. Right? Now what values do we need for the first and the second question? Both we need sine A and cos C. Right? So let's find the value of sine A. Sine A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. For angle A, which side is opposite? BC. Which side is hypotenuse? AC. BC is equal to 1 and AC is equal to 2. Similarly, cos C. Cos C adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. BC is 1, AC is 2. Correct? And the next question, okay, we'll solve the next question separately. So now what is our equation? Sine A cos C plus cos A sine C. Okay, so we also need the values of cos A and sine C. So what is the value of cos A? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent to cos A is AB and hypotenuse is obviously AC. So root 3 by 2 and sine C. Sine C opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So root 3 by 2. So sine A cos C and cos A sine C. What is the value of sine A? 1 by 2 into what is cos C? 1 by 2 plus what is cos A? Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Right? Second question is cos A cos C minus sine A sine C. What is the value of cos A? Root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos C? 1 by 2. Sine A value is 1 by 2 and sine C value is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into 2, root 3 by 4 minus over here again root 3 by 4, which is 0. So the answer for this one is 1 and the answer for this one is 0. Hope it's clear. Let's move to the next question. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q. We draw the triangle PQR. It's a little difficult to draw digitally, so please pardon me for this. I don't know what exactly is the technique to draw freehand because it's a little difficult for me. PQR, right angled at Q. PR plus QR is 25 and PQ is 5. So this is the only measurement we know. What else is given to us? PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. Right? Now by Pythagoras theorem we know that PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Correct? Now let's modify this thing a little bit and we'll make this PR is equal to 25 minus QR. Okay, we'll make this equation number 1, and this equation number 1 we will substitute in the Pythagoras theorem. So PR square, that means 25 minus QR the whole square is equal to, what is the measurement of PQ? 5 centimeters. So 5 square plus QR square. Now A square minus B square is equal to A square minus 2 into 25 into QR, that is 50 QR plus QR square is equal to 25. Yeah. Now solving it further, plus QR square. So this QR square and QR square gets cancelled. So 625 minus 25 is equal to 50 QR. 600 is equal to 50 QR. QR is equal to 600 by 50, that is equal to 12. So measurement of QR we got. Now Pythagoras theorem states that PR square is equal to, or you can just substitute it in the first equation. So PR is equal to 25 minus QR, that is equal to 25 minus 12, which is 13 centimeters. So that's how you get the measurement of all this height. Now we have to determine the values of sine p, cos p and tan p. As simple as that. Let's shoot. So now I have sine p, cos p and tan p. So for p, what side is opposite? QR by PR. Why? Because for sine we have opposite by hypotenuse. For cos we have adjacent by hypotenuse. Which side is adjacent to P? PQ by PR. And tan P will obviously be opposite by adjacent. So opposite is QR by PQ. What is the measurement of QR? 12 by 13. Cos P will be equal to 5 by 13 and tan P will be equal to 12 by 5, and that completes our exercise. The last question is just true and false. So I would hope that you can try this on your own, and if there are any doubts, obviously I'm available. You can drop it to me in the comments and I can make a separate video out of it, or I can help you one-to-one to solve it. Right? Next video is going to be introduction of some new concepts and examples, and the video after that is going to be exercise number 8.2. So I hope by now, if you have watched the previous video and this video in this playlist, you should be able to be familiar with the concept of trigonometry, what are t ratios, how you can locate your angles, and what are the easy methods and tricks to solve different questions, right? So we saw different types of questions in this exercise, being from it being one given ratio to finding all the given ratios. For questions like this where you have an equation like this, you have to modify it and find the other ratios, and then trying to substitute the values of different angles in equations and proving the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, or finding the values of those equations, right? So you will realize that these equations that they are giving right now are also going to be useful to you now and in the higher standards. Now they are just trying to set up a base for you so that your basics are very clear. So have this set up in your mind very clearly, so that next time when you see these questions, it should be on your fingertips and you should be able to solve it very easily. Please do write to me in the comments how you like this video, if this was easy for you to understand, if there is any improvement you want me to speak slowly, you want me to speak faster, you want it in a more better way. Do you like this kind of freehand drawing more, or do you like the digital drawing more? Please give me your feedback and I'd love to hear it. Thank you. Have a nice day.